Alright, welcome back to our Lam game. Let's go! Second half tayo. Magkakalaman tayo dito. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon?
Apat lang, oh. Yaning.
Let's go! Third quarter.
Lugyo.
Third quarter. On. Pass to Abraham. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Mata setting on the play. Sus. At the post. Oy. 9 seconds shot up to shoot. Boy, what a split move. (34, 42). Argarin, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Iron. Pass to coach, pick. Drop pass, Iron, pick. Girl, wala. Rebound. Bounce pass, Zeus, wala. Nagagawa, nakakuha pa rin ng BBC. Oh, no good. Zeus. Kick out. Kenneth. Fade away shot. Oh, nice move for Kenneth Imata. 44-34. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng BBC. Margarin, coach. Staring on the screen. Coach, bounce pass. Argarin, basket yan. For Argarin, Kenneth. Staring on the play. At the middle, binigay sa corner. Pass to Kenneth. Running shot, miss. Another offensive rebound for BBC. Back to Kenneth. Wala pa rin. But this time, makuha ni Alex. 3 against 3. Then now, stop and pump. Miss. Out of bound. White ball. That's the elbow. Karuskain to number 17. Basket is good. Balik sa 10 lamang ng BBC. Ken. Pass to coach. Pass to Giron. Coach, pick. Pass to Giron. Giron, umatake. Kick out. Alex pull up. Basket. For Alex Danao. Babasa 8 ang lamang ng BBC. 38-46. Kenneth at the post. Karuskain. 3 seconds. Violation. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And Alex, pull up Jane, oh, rebound, number 12, too strong. But this time, makuha na ng BBC. Munti ka na magawan. Binigay, wala. Rebound. Argarin, 3 against 2. Argarin, binigay. Alex sa gitna, pull up, wala. Out of bound, last touch by Alex. Zeus setting on the play. Zeus 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Hiron. Outlet pass. Alex. Cross court pass to Hiron. Hiron 4-3. Ben! Ayan na. Ang big man. Balik sa 5 ang lamang ng BBC. 46-41. Kenneth, Ularos kain. Pinagay sa gitna. Kobe. 2 points para sa BBC. Ken. Pass to Ron. Hiron, dribbling. Pass number 36. Abraham, short. Rebound. Makuha na Kenneth. 3 against 3. Number 10, uses pass. Time out. Pieta. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Tawag muna dito ang Pieta. Cross court pass, bounce pass, fake, and there's unraveling. Kenneth Imata. Pull up, wala. Another offensive rebound for BBC. Looking for his teammate. Cross-court pass. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Nag-awad mo. Binigay. Kenneth at the middle. Oh, what a nice layup. Balik sa 11 ang lamang ng BBC. There's a foul.
Number 21. Second personal foul. First team foul. Person basket.
Second shot, no good. 52-42. Cross-court pass. Kagawad po for 3. No good. Here comes Peta. Argarin. Block. Get for 4-3, no? Rebound,
Issue to
basket.
points. Santa Cruz.
54-42. Run. Cross-court pass.
Tension. Partnership.
Oh, another steal.
Steal.
Aaron, fake. Cross-court pass. Wala bunga movement. Running shot. Uy, wala. Rebound ng BBC. Kagawad ball.
Tension.
Pasok kagawad ball. 4-3. No good. Rebound ng Pieta. Argarin. Pass to Abraham. Pass to Giron. Jump shot. In and out. Rebound ng BBC. Kenneth.
Steal.
Steal. Oh. There's a foul.
Unsportsmanlike foul. Person number 20. Second personal foul.
Like foul ang BBC rito. Mabibigyan ng free throw si Alex Danao. Tingnan natin kung may papapasok ang bonus shot. Correction, number 22 ang mag-free throw. Hereda. Alex. Ayan na. Nagkagulo sila pagtira ng free throw. But this time, this is Abraham. Basket. .43 54. Second shot is good for Abraham.
14 shot lang.
Last ball possession for Pieta. Heroin.
Tension.
Argarin, coach. Argarin, top of the key. No good. Rebound, makakuha. Out of bounds.
Seven.
Last
The winning time 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes tayo. Go. Pass to Heroin. And from the corner, no good. But this time, makuha ng BBC. Number 20, spin move, short. Push in the glass.
Pacho.
Ay, Cacho. Pacho. 56-44. Argarin, binigay sa elbow. Pull-up jumper. Oy, wala. Rebound ng BBC. Agawad mo. Marshall. Drop pass. Oh, nice layup. For Pacho.
1 minute.
Last 1 minute nating third period. Coach, fake. To Hiron, spin, steal by Kagaudbong. Ay na, 2 against 2. Kagaudbong, 4-3. Bang! 3-point for Kagaudbong. Imata. Ken Omatake nakalusot sa depensa. Out of bounds nga lang. Remaining time, last 33 seconds. 33 seconds left. Pero alam magiging ba? Biligay. Pass to Ken. Pull up Jay. No. Rebound. Outlet pass. Steal. Turuin. Pass to Ken. Coach. Pass to Ken. Argarin. Coach. Pass to Argarin. Layup. Wala. Rebound. Number 21. 5 seconds. Kagaudbong. Ken, 4-3. And that's the end of the third quarter. Fisher scores 61-44 in favor of the BBC. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng game, ang fourth and last quarter. Tingnan muna natin ang huddle ng Pieta. 44-61 in favor of the BBC. Game. Fourth quarter.
And final quarter.
Mas one. Short pass.
3 seconds violation.
3 seconds violation. Out the pass. Danao, spin move. Move for Alex Danao. 46-61. Unting-unting bumabawi ang Pieta ulit. Kenneth. Violation.
Three seconds violation.
Hiron using the glass. Wala. Rebound ng Pieta ng BBC. That's the three. Short. Zulz with a putback. Ken. Pass to coach. Oh, there's a foul. Abadilla.
Number 18, first.
Kenneth, Ken, kick out, Alex from elbow 3, miss, rebound by Hiron, spin, running shot, ooh,
Responding.
foul number 47,
Foul number 17.
ng number 17.
47. Second personal foul.
Pass to Alex from corner. Win. No good. Rebound ng BBC.
Continue shoot.
Number 21, handoff to Kenneth. At the middle, wala. Rebound. Here comes the Pieta. 3 against 4. Roll up jumper, miss. Uy. Rebound. Number 16, 4-3, wala. Rebound by Alex. Pass to Ken. Argarin to Ken. Oh, sorry, that's Alex, miss. Rebound ng BBC. Coach Zeus.
Continue shoot. Time to shoot.
It's the 3, short, rebound. Ayun na, bounce pass, kick out. Number 23, 4-3, wala. Rebound, makakuha ni Zeus. And out of bound.
Subject.
Seven minutes and 7 seconds. Coach, stop and pump. In and out. Rebound ng BBC. Laros Cain.
Continue shoot. Time to shoot.
Last touch. BBC basketball. Away shot, wala. Rebound by Ron. Outlet pass, too strong.
Turnover.
Laros Cain.
Continue shoot. Time to shoot.
Running shot by Kenneth Imata. Kenneth. Pass to coach.
Continue shoot.
Veron. Pass to coach. Abraham, jump shot. Oh, basket.
Continue shoot.
Too strong. Rebound by Ron. Ron to Abraham. Pass to Ron. And one.
Foul number 9.
Basket count and one for Hiron.
First personal foul.
One shot for 3-point play. 5 minutes and 21 seconds left. Hiron, basket. 51-65. Iba na po ang laban na mahahabol po ang Pieta. Laros Cain. Oh, that's a
Grabbing violation.
Hiron, 4-3, bang!
Number 75.
3-point for Hiron. 65-54. Baba sa 11 ang lamang ng BBC. Shot pass. Makakuha ni Kenneth. Pass to Laruskain. Nasa corner. Pull up jumper. Too strong. Zeus reverse layup. Basket is good. Ay, nasa Kenneth. Argarin to Hiron. Back to coach. Fake. Coach running shot. In and out. Rebound. Ayan na ang BBC. Mata. Too strong. Rebound. Kenneth. Kick out. Hiron from the elbow. Uy. In and out. Rebound by Zeus.
Remaining time, 4 minutes.
Last 4 minutes na naman po ang natitira sa ating laban. Laruskain. Cross-court pass to Kenneth. Mata. Kick out.
5.
Pull up 3. Bang!
Number 47.
3-point by jersey number 47. Argarin. Ayan na. Uy! Pass pala yun. Fake. Pass to coach. Coach umatake. Running shot. Basket. Yes, yan. Basket is good for coach. Laruskain. Pass to Zeus. Fake. Kick out. Pass to Kenneth. Even go. Zeus. Kobe. Wala. Rebound. Pass to Kenneth. Imana. Time out, Vieta. Official score, 56-72. With the time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Tingnan natin muna ang huddle ng Vieta. Natin mo dyan, ang team mo. Ano, okay, lakas mo pala ah.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Gets the 3, wala. Rebound ng BBC, number 18. Cross-court pass, number 18, 4-3, wala. Roll up jumper, short. Padilla.
Continuation. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Sub.
Gets the 3, wala. Rebound. Cross-court pass, Abadilla.
Continuation.
Nasa corner. Bounce pass, number 20.
Basket to Bryce.
Cross-court pass, 4-3, wala. Rebound, another steal. Gets the 3, wala. Number 17. Number 22, basket. Last 1 minute. Up and under, wala. Last 40 seconds.
Time to shoot.
From elbow. Whoa! 2 points. Number 10. Wow! Babawi sa 3. Wala. All the way. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations and nice game para sa Prieta. And congratulations our champion, ang BBC. What a good game for this season. Alright, congratulations BBC and nice game for Prieta. Final score 65-76. Panalo po ang BBC. Shoutout mo tayo sa aking katabi dito. Ay, shoutout mo. Ayan, no, panalo kayang grupo, BBC.
Best player of the game, Emata.
Alright, our best player of the game, wala lang iba, kundi si jersey number 7. That's Kenneth Emata. Congrats, idol. Ay, shoutout kay Caplino Trinidad. Nandito, kasama natin sila kagawad, no? Alex Danao, seniors, and ating mga kagawad. Ayan, congrats. Hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Good night, everyone. God bless. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. And please subscribe my YouTube channel kung gusto niyo po mapanood ang ating report. Shoutout muna, pre. Hey! What's up? Shoutout ka muna, pre. Archie! Chi! Uy! Yes, sa mga bata natin, sa mga masipag. Archie of the West, grabe. Hanggang sa muli, God bless and good night. Manalo po ang BBC